welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure. And today we're going to make thumbprint cookies. Let's get started. To get started, we will need a big bowl and half cup of butter. The next ingredient you will need is 1/3 cup of sugar. Now let's mix. The next ingredient we will be needing is 1 egg yolk. Now we will be putting half teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Let's mix it up. One and 1/3 cup of flour. Now let's mix it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside and get my cookie pan. And then I'm gonna roll balls. Okay. Okay. Then keep rolling them into balls. We will be using 3 different jams: watermelon, strawberry, and grape. Okay, to put the thumbprint, I'm not going to use my thumb, I'm just going to use a tiny spoon. So you just squash it kind of to make a little hole. And then I'm gonna use grape first. You put it down. Okay. Press it all the way across and put the watermelon jam inside. Then another grape. Go. And push. Here's the cookies with the jam inside. Set our oven to 350. Bake 350. Did you know you can actually make, like, if you have 2 different flavors of jelly, like I did grape, and then the other half strawberry. So you have 2 jams in 1 cookie. Waiting for the oven to heat up. Just waiting. Now, since our oven's done, we're going to throw our cookies inside. We need parental supervision because it's hot, okay? And when you open the oven, you want to stand back because it's just in a box and the heat wants to come out. a timer for 14 minutes. Look, the cookies are done. Now we can stand back, open it, and take the cookies out. Turn off your oven. Wait. After you bake them, you can make them cool down, and then you can eat them. I like the cookie part, and then I like the jam with it, and it tastes even better. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to 4Kids Daily Adventure.